Hi guys, welcome back. CompTIA Security Plus Domain 5 Risk Management. In this video, we're going to see creation of BCP and DRP practice lab. Lab recommends Windows 7 or later versions. So if you guys have a later version, you can use it. So in this task, in this lab, you're going to see the three tasks: read the material provided concerning your organizations, and generate your business continuity plans, and generate a disaster recovery plan. Okay, so before I go to the lab, let me give you the small scenario so you guys can better understand. You have been hired by a placeholder Inc., a new technology startup company, to create your working business continuity plan and disaster recovery plan. As this is a technology startup, much of its assets are anticipated to be available online to a variety of customers and other portions of the company. You will need to keep in mind in generating the two plans that a strong cyber incident response should also be included. Okay, so everything in the reports I have saved it, the samples. So let's review the PLT, meaning the Babbage Lovelace telecommunications. So these folders will contain almost everything you will need to create the business continuity plan for Babbage Lovelace telecommunication. Despite the details and documents provided, you will need to put a bit of your own effort into fleshing out the BCP. So the goal is to make a document, and that would be critical in helping keep ULP Babbage Lovelace telecommunications afloat during crisis events. Okay. So please remember, the business community plan and the disaster recovery are two of the most critical documents for any company, both help guide employee actions through the procedures and policies that set down in them. Okay. So just learn more about BLT, Babbage Lovelace Telecom. So just open the button. So you can see that inside is a document that gives a bit more information, the details about what type of company built, where its campus, also what each locations does for the company, and it shows who is the charge of what as well. The list of upper management only, so everything. So okay, so you guys can see all the information. So find some useful informations. So let me open the next. Let's find some useful information, a useful item for BCP and DRP. Okay. So let's open the business continuity plan extra. So in it you can see the map showing where the Columbia campus is, and two flowchart. Both of the flowchart can be used in the creation of the BCP. Whereas the map will come into play when you generate the DRP. Okay. So and then go back. So let's open the impact analyze, business impact analyze. It contains a small sampling of business impact analysis form from company employee concerning important process, equipments, and personnel. Although this directory may seem like more details, consider that this company is an international organization. The BIAs for each department, each pieces of important artwork, and all critical documents and personnel have taken all day to process. Use the sampling provided to flesh out the rest of the company. So the important point is that a business impact analyzes differentiate critical and non-critical organization functions and activities So critical functions are those whose disruptions is regarded as unacceptable. Perceptions of acceptability are affected by the cost of recovery solutions. Their functions may also be considered critical if required by law. Okay, so let me show you these all the details. So you get more information analyze. So next we can review the cyber incident response. So cyber incident response plan has a copy of the initial version of the CIRP. It has been generated to help you determine a few of the critical items that need to be provided, that need to be covered in the BCP and DRP. If the CIRT is missing anything that you judge as important, so ensure that those shortcomings are addressed in a document you are working on. Okay, so this is most of them. Okay, so let's open the other one. Conduct internet research. So here you will see the examples of plans templates from a variety of different organizations. So as you can see, there is no way to generate. As you guys can see, there is no one way to generate a PCB page. So let me now review the NIST documents. NIST SP8034 revision 1. So make sure you review the source documents. Okay, this wisely directs organization to generate their own business continuity on disaster recovery plans and provides tons of details on what these plans should have in them. So if you have any question about either document or on how depth you will need to go, you always check this NIST SP8034 version revision 1. So okay, now go back. So let's open the blank PCP. So here, note that this document is mostly empty. On various lines, you will see our text is blue letter here. Lettering this are the means to help you to make the necessary entries into the PCP. So this will be your document to add and edit as per organization needs. You will determine the process that Babbage Lovelace Telecommunication will be using to bring themselves out of the possible catastrophic situations. So let me close. So now let's open the blank DRP, data recovery. So now that you have the PCP fresh on your minds, it is time to generate the disaster recovery plan for Babbage Lovelace Telecommunications. Remember the PCP is older. Remember the PCP is a broader document. It provides a coverage on everything that may be needed in order to create a system of policies and procedures for everything long-term damage to company and stability to business. So the disaster recovery plans will go a step further and provide specific guidance on how to deal with various forms of disaster. Okay, So you can, if let's say if you want to change anything, you can we can just modify and save it. Save this one. So DRP. So just showing this example, just a small example. You just change anything. So once you guys updated the information, this whole information, so you guys can save it. So I don't do modify. Okay. So now you can check the quality. The next one is a quality check both of your documents. So you have to open the BCP as well as and the DRP. It's easy for you to compare the both document. To open both of the documents you created side by side. So run through the various sections and see if there are any areas that might need more information or explanation. Consider the following. So other lines of area from one document that contradicting something from the other document, or do the same to CIRP, or if so, see if you can clean up or find a way to deconflict the problem. Okay, so once you are done, so make sure you do one last pass over the business impact analysis report. Make sure that your plan takes into consideration any critical needs uncovered in those PIA documents. Okay, so this is a simple scenario. So how you guys can view and compare the DRP and BCP and update the information. So where you guys can get the information, I just show you the small example. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't. I post more practice lab. Press the bell button to get more update. Share the video if you want to your friends. See you. Bye bye.